on the flanks. Pineda, Mendoza, Montoya, Tantay are the officials for this game, brought to us by Honda, the official motorcycle of the PBA. Action has begun. Nakaputi ang Meralco bolts. Naka-dark blue naman ang Rain or Shine Elasto Painters. Tony Bishop, nakabantay sa kanya. It's a local Borboran. They go to the elbow. Chris Newsom unleashes and knocks it down.
Just a well...
Burley and can create space when he wants to. Baseline inbound. Newsom, quick jumper from Allein. And he got it to go. Akala ko, he overshot that already. Pa siya, no? Bishop now, yet to score. Fake pass, drops it underneath. Almazan! And so Bishop gives his team a 6. Newsom on the move. Goes to Bishop. Takes the 3. Inilapit ng konti. Swing to Chris. Newsom knocks it in. That's 5 points for Newsom early in this game. Mukhang thought about it inside the Henry Walker. Ayun na naman yung bully ball na sinasabi natin. So, you know, I'm sure they talked about that. Well, they found him at the right place. So, he's all 4 points so far of theirs. Kanya yun. But Aaron Black leaning in. And that may have looked like a simple shot off the glass. But take note, that was with his right.
What you like about Aaron Black is he is improving every single conference. You know, he's very young in his career.
Wow. Power baseline drive. Mula kay Jay.
Teaching you, showing you the ropes in the PBA. That's just a great situation to be in.
Invaluable yan yung mga ganyang klase when you have those mentors, guys who've been there. And chance for Rain or Shine to draw closer. Under 5 minutes to go in the first. Henry Walker in the paint once again, and that has proven to be an effective way para rito sa Rain or Shine yung mga ganyang klase.
You just gotta love how he's pounding it inside.
Banchero kababasok lang, getting into the assist party, Doms, finding Almazan. Second time na ni Raymond, nakabasket ulit.
And that's what you want to be able to give a Raymond Almazan. You reward him when he goes to that open spot.
Somebody forgot to box out Mark Borboran, following up the miss of Mocon. Jumper, baseline, too strong. Goes right away to Nambatak, speeding up the court. Draws the foul, gets the basket. Ray stinging. Chance to grab the lead on this play. Nambatak, always a spark. Oh, another one! Ray! Susubukang tumabla or makalamang itong Meralco on this sequence. Bishop's been quiet. Now he gets himself. Nambatak, Banquero. Matchup na maganda yan sa laban na ito. Belga fakes the pass. Now will attack to the hoop. Basket is good for Big Bo. Talagang will not back down.
Cliff Hodge, what, a 10-year veteran?
Diba? And a rough guy, you know, who can really be physical with you. Cliff Hodge, power offensive rebound. Labas kay Banquero once again. Banquero swing to Mac. Mac for 3. Good decision for Banquero to give it up. Bo. Second 3 para kay Big Bo dito sa first half. Longest residence na dyan. Oo, di ba? Kasi si Jaire nasa bench, ngunit hindi na siya naglalaro. Of course, Kaloy. Kay Gabe Norwood, no? Kay Bo Belga. Right? Tama ba ako? Or sabay sila? Kasi hindi from the start si ano eh. No? Kasi from start of career si Gabe. But Bishop now, he's been quiet sa laban na ito. Napunta sa may kanto. Anjo Karam, the jackknife jumper. Second of the game para kay Karam. Ito sa second period. Percentages are falling for field goals. Caraco drops it for Henry. And points in the paint. Dagdagaw pa ng dalawa yan. Henry Walker. Raymond, of course, si Sir Terry, the tandem behind the Ross Elafto Painters.
Kung gusto niyo matuto sa mga painting, si Boss Terry naman ang kausapin niyo.
Yeah.
Ulong na Henry Walker at Bo Belga.
Walker once again, susubukan mamain si Raymond Almazan, humihingi pa ng foul, but he got the basket anyway. Itong Meralco, Black wants 3, that's way off target. Oh, look at that bullet pass ahead to Nieto. Can he finish? Yes, he does! What a great pass! And of course, Nieto, everybody followed suit.
It wasn't just him also dun sa previous game na tumitira ng madami from the 3-point area. So if you want to be able to set the tone right, then you want the import to...
Pass to Banquero. Now to Newsom. Uy, nakabalik ang depensa ng Rain or Shine. Need to admire that effort. Parang easy fast break na para sa Meralco yun. And yet, Nambatak to the hoop once again. Flips it up and in. And Ray Nambatak, parang si Henry Walker, not settling.
As for him, he'll get his points.
Walker, he'll take a three. And that's good. Kuha pa rin ni Chris. Chris, couple of fakes, di maka-extricate. Go to Almazan, 18-footer.
Raymond Almazan.
Travis, elbow. Napunta kay Bo, isa pa ba? Tatlo na yan para kay Bo Belga here in the...
What you gotta appreciate about him is every time he knocks down a three-point shot, he's pointing at someone, whether it's the crowd, his teammate, or whoever.
Agad-agad namang first half. Just 43 seconds to go in our first 24 minutes. Nambatak, Prinos over si Bishop. In the lane once again.
Meralco, 4-1 right now. You know, they have 6 more games, including this one. So they're obviously have a good chance of making it into the top 4. Bakit importante yung top 4?
Then Chris Newsom, 3-point attempt in and out para kay Walker. Rebound taken by Maliksi. Up ahead to Newsom and then to Bishop. Bishop right under the basket, back to back.
Labanan mo eh. Kasi pag hindi natawagan yun, libreng-libre.
Bishop has 3 field goals already dito sa third quarter. So
inside, pero lahat din ng mga tira niya in the paint.
Because he has to be a part of their offense. Nice turnaround jumper, the soft touch from JV Mok. All of a sudden, may ganong klase.
Well, you want to be able to milk a guy like Tony Bishop who's been scoring.
Oh, look at Borboran. Right place, right time, just doing his thing. Back then, ano ba siya eh? Bill Walker, pangalan niya, di ba?
Ngayon, ang tawag sa kanya, Hank.
Hank, yun na nga, nickname ng Henry, Hank daw.
Alam mo, kanina, at the end of the half, 6 turnovers lang ang total nitong Meralco and only 3 for rain or shine.
Well, there's a 3 mula kay Henry Walker. Nakadalawa.
Big na States. Parang came back here and then went back there as well.
Banquero, he's open. And he realized it as well. Open siya doon. Starts complaining sa mga referees and all of that. So Meralco has a chance to try to work with that. Oh, look at that pass. Oh, nice finish and a great play. Outside to Banquero. 7 to shoot. Chris will make his move. Step back, jumper. That's short. But look at Almazan. Skying and then Belga.
Number of times in the shaded area pero hindi siya nakita.
Nice pass. Extra pass to Almazan and Almazan has not disappointed.
Huwag ka nang magulo, Raymond.
Parang gano'n na nga. Parang asar na asar si Bowie naman. Ang kinukulit mo pa ako. That's a 3! Anton. Nilabas kay Borboran. Hesitation dun sa 3. Pass inside. Ponferrada getting it to go. Nice pass from JB Mocon.
I'm trying to go inside a little bit.
Kicks to Newsom. 3 on the way. Bitin. Bishop the rebound. Goes up strong. Gets the 2 to go. Tony Bishop.
He wants to be able to make this little...
To Allein. Allein to Chris. Hirap na hirap sila makakita pero yun! Just a little daylight. Got it off the wind.
And Tony Bishop have to go to work here in the 4th quarter.
Gabe. Inside to Karakot. Leading backwards. At nakuha niya yung basket.
Karakot.
No, by all indications, Dom, this game, mukhang down to the wire ang mangyayari rito. Karakot in the lane, turnaround jumper. Oh! That's 2 straight over Black.
Against Aaron Black.
He's got 6. Bishop open from 3. He gets that one to go. Pang-unang 3-pointer yan ni Tony Bishop. Newsom looking. Yan, finally nakuha na ni Banquero. Maliksi trying to jockey for position against Nambatak. There it is. He's got the height. Turnaround jumper. You knew that was gonna happen.
And then he has that turnaround jumper.
He's about 6'3", 6'4".
Long arms.
Oh, look at that! Newsom J. Off target. Maliksi keeping it alive. Nice fake. Napaduka na. Pinasok pa rin niya. Allein Maliksi.
Once again.
Cliff Hodge is an unsung hero para sa Meralco. Not just in this game, but almost on a regular basis. Nice fake once again. Maliksi going to work.
And ang galing niya mag-shot fake, inaangat niya talaga yung bola eh.
Tama. Talagang kakagat ka. Babawi naman! Pero naman yung sagot ni Mike Nieto.
Yung bola, because he's such a prolific scorer, you have to be able to try and defend it. And if you're shorter, then you may leave your feet.
That's a big three. Baseline na naman, Maliksi! Look at that move! Dinala sa kabila!
And on the other end,
Mambatak off that glass. Wala yan. Nakuha ni Nieto. Walker gives it up to Mike. Mike for three!
you leave him open.
In this second half. And the ball is back with them. Quinto naman ang turn around. Suddenly, all these turnaround. Walker to the hoop.
See, that
Gets the foul.
time, read by Mocon, finding Henry Walker, forcing Bishop to help out the foul and the basket.
And that's big because Nieto gets it to the corner. Easy layup. You wanted it quick. That's as quick as you can get, Dom. May oras pa rin eh. May oras pa rin talaga.
Well, the first thing, again, is to be able to inbound that basketball.
Pass to Banquero. The layup is
Wow! Going for this, going backdoor, kapareho nung nangyari dun sa play kanina, di ba? Nag-anticipate, trying to deny. Then great read by Banquero, great pass by
look,
Bong Quinto.
If you watch Chris Newsom on that play, it whizzed by his ear. And he was turning like, where'd you pass, man? Parang nagpanic siya. Then, okay, andyan pa na si Chris Banquero. Si Tocayo, nandyan pa na.
Oh, wide open.
Diba?
A 4-point lead by Meralco, 18.
Well, look at the coolness. He was counting in his head, no? Si Mike Nieto. And then the quick two at the baseline. Wala na naka-challenge doon, no? Late na si Chris Banquero. Only a couple of seconds shaved. Mintis ang pangalawa. Kailangan magmadali ng rain or shine, but the seconds are dwindling. Basket is up. Doesn't hit the mark, and Meralco survives to bounce back, get this victory here at the Big Dome. So they win 93-88, and we'll take a short break before we wrap this one up. We'll be back.